In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your Base44 web app into the APK file. So it's pretty simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to open your apps and then choose app which you want to convert to APK file. And then click on publish button in top right corner. As you can see, this is your domain, your URL. So you can copy it. After that, click on publish app. We need to make it live. You can also copy it from here. So I'm gonna copy it. Then in the Google, search for convert web app to mobile app. So we need some third-party site which can convert our web app into mobile app. So for example, I'm gonna choose this appmysite.com. Then just click start for free. Then we need to create a new app. So click on create app. From here you can name your app. So for example, let's say Base44 APK file. Then choose from app type web to app. So click on it. And then you need to paste your URL. I'm gonna paste it here and click on create app. So this will create our app. Now we need to wait a second. Then you can choose your color scheme. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one and click continue. You can close this and from here go to preview. From the preview you can preview your app. How is it going to look like on phone? So you can click on those displays. You have Android and you have also iPhone. So as you can see, this is your site. I can scroll through it and it's working. You can also test it on real device. So you need to scan this QR code. That's how you can preview your app. Then you need to click on download. And from here you can choose either iOS app or Android app. So we want to APK file. So I'm gonna click on build app under the Android. Build app, you can choose some permissions or app identity. Then click build app. So now we need to wait 14 minutes, but I will show you on different projects. So let's say I have this and I'm gonna open download section. And as you can see, I have here already converted my site to APK. So I'm able to click on download APK and this will start downloading your site as a APK file, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. You can also download AAB. So that's it. That's how you can convert your Base44 in APK file. And then you can also click on publish and you can publish it to Google Play Store. So simply just click publish and then you need to log into developer Google Play Console and then you can upload your file here. And once the Google reviews it, you can publish it on Google Play Store. So this is how you can convert your Base44 web app into APK file. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.